About to pull up on a big stunt. Gonna try jump over this plane. My good friend Nick. And yeah, it's really interesting. The plane's on its way. It's 2 minutes up. Yeah, I'm about to jump over this fucking airplane. Okay, so whoa, sturdy lens. Okay, so just arrived at the beach. About to pull up on a big stunt. It's so last minute that we don't actually have anyone really filming BTS, but so I'm just gonna vlog this one. But the plane should be on its way any minute. Gonna try jump over this plane. My good friend Nick, and yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Put this over here. It's recording. Yeah.
You want to shoot from here and get foreground or clean shot from the beach? How many passes? If it's one pass, what would you
He's doing
say?
5 passes.
So I can shoot foreground first. Get
Yeah.
the typical foreground, big air, you can't, you don't see water in that, pretty much.
The least risky shot is Adam's shot from that angle, because then he gets the best angle for the longest period of time. But if you're directly in front, to get that timing spot on is going to be a bit tricky. Yeah, so I think that's, and then each time he goes around, I'll do like one tack up.
It's going to go into the wind, smoke on.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
And then he's going to do two things. One, he's going to pull up. Sorry, I'm recording here because I haven't got anyone to record me. Low budget shoot today. We've got Craig here getting the shot on the beach. Always nails the action. So I'm going to. No, it's cool. Yeah, maybe just keep it recording while I'm explaining to you. So when he comes past me, he's going to come past like this and then pull towards the beach.
2 minutes.
You're going to need sunblock for this one. My board there. We only thought about doing a stunt this morning, so there hasn't really been too much planning. The plane's on its way. It's 2 minutes out. The plane's about to take off now. Once he gets airborne, he'll be here in like 1 minute. Quick. Get upwind a little bit. Okay, so when you're key, we're saying going a little bit upwind, there's a bank there. So try and get that up. a stunt that was. Super stoked we managed to pull it off, although we didn't manage to get over the plane. As you'll see, Lasse Walker and Luke managed to pull off the stunt properly together with Red Bull, jumping over the plane. We unfortunately had a plane that could only fly a minimum of 200 kilometers an hour, which makes it super challenging. We wanted to try it again, but without endless budget to try these things and get the right location and training and everything we needed, this was just a quick attempt at doing something really cool. It was a dream I've always had. We managed to get close, but you don't always need money and everything you need to pull off these crazy stunts. So apart from the stunt, we've been doing some crazy things the last couple of months, which has distracted us from doing the really cool things. But at the same time, we've been building an amazing community. We have a home for our community here down in Cape Town, launching some cool products. So bringing the whole community together to do awesome things and inspire each other. So support Dirty Habits, what we're doing, so we can do some amazing more stunts, and with more budget, more stunts coming your way. Let's go.